Hey everyone, I want to show you some quick tip how to work with plastic. Right now I'm in my garage. I have this glove box from 1998 Mercedes SLK 230 and 320, which is our 171 series. Basically all of them have a problem with their interior. And the biggest problem they have is this type of cracks, and I already took apart, and here's my inner part of that glove box, and I already peeled and cleaned the old paint. I'm going to resurface it. I'll show you later how it's going to look like. But here you will see when I took apart, I have so many broken pieces. You can see like all of these pieces, they're all broken pieces that I need to fix. Here's more. And I'm going to find every piece where it belongs to. So I have several interior parts that I want to repair. But today I just want to show you a little quick tip. Probably you're working with plastic, and it doesn't matter which plastic you're working with, how you can fix, for example, this broken part like here. And I found that broken part or piece that actually belongs here. Look. Okay. So normally you would probably take some type of glue and try to glue it together, but it won't help you for long term because this part actually holds weight. And for you to be able to make it more secure, you have to use something stronger than just a glue. So, and today I'll show you very simple, you can do it at home solution that works much better than a glue. Okay, let me show you how I'm going to fix it. Okay, now I want to show you a simple tool that I'm going to use to weld, not the glue, but weld this plastic. And look at what I'm going to use. Voila! It's soldering iron. Very simple, $7 or $5 thing from Harbor Freight. Here's the tape that I'm using. It's a little bit flat. That's what I did. So this is all you need. Okay, first you need to find the right piece. So I had like a dozen of those here. So I need to find which one belongs to this thing. So when you find it, just clean it and attach. Okay, when you do that, now turn upside down to the back side because the back side is less visible. So align it properly. You see the seam is very thin. Now first just fix it in the right place. Okay, after you fix, just double check that on the other side is straight and good. Okay. Now all you do is just take the tape and just follow that line. Make a little dip and then cover that hole. One more time and then cover it. So doing this, basically you're melting plastic from both sides and turning it into one solid piece. So because the back side is not visible, I'm not really concerned, but you still can make it straight and nice if you want to. But my goal is make sure that this piece is solidly hold together. And go now to this side. Don't worry, the back side is not visible, so don't just go deep, melt the plastic as deep as you can, but don't go too far. And then fill that hole back with melted plastic. So, and then you can play a little bit. So basically you're melting a plastic and you can play with it because it's liquid. Very soft, do whatever you want. So you basically turn it into one piece. Look. If you want to make it more straight and nicer, just take a piece of sandpaper and clean it a little bit. Well, this is not my goal. I just want to show you the alternative of glue that you can just use this simple tool, $5 tool, and no glue. So look at it again. In my next video, I'll show you how to glue or get rid of this crack that you have here on your glove box. So again, this is the SLK, Mercedes SLK 230. They all have the same problem. Some of them are like really bad. This one is not really that bad like you would normally expect. So I'll show you a trick how to fix this crack on your glove box if you have SLK 230. Okay.